Jamaica is an island in the Caribbean Sea. Nice white sandy beach, golden sunshine, nice green rivers, nice girls, good food. That's where I'm from. It's who I am. I'm a Jamaican. Yeah. Ooh. Why can't we live in peace? Jamaica. Yeah. Ooh. Come make we set an example. Bad mind and grudge full of envy we go trample. Jamaicans we a sample. No make no evil-minded people collapse yo. See where them do with all Samson. When they wheel and they whine and they scribble and scramble. Chin and lock on we uncle. So if we back and see all we gonna fall and stumble. Why can't we live in peace? Jamaica, yeah. Ooh, why can't we live in peace? Jamaica, yeah. Ooh, we're gonna need more lawyers and doctors, nurses, social workers and teachers. Too much gunman, too much shatter. Too much of the young youth, them just lurks. So for the good of mankind, it's word for us as Jamaicans unite on the earth. Ashes to ashes, man, no stop shovel dirt. So make we set a trend for peace in this world. That's where I'm from. It's who I am. I'm a Jamaican. Yeah. Ooh. That's where I'm from. It's who I am. I'm a Jamaican. Yeah. Ooh, why can't we live in peace? Jamaica, yeah. Ooh, why can't we live in peace? Jamaica, yeah. Ooh.
I go by the name of Rev, back in trouble again. I said I was gonna go straight when I came at the pen, but that was a sentence chose best to ignore, cause I came out and done what I was doing before. Hustling all day, not far from home, and yeah, I do feel with conscience when I sell bone. But it's hard in this life to get jewels and gems when your crime record stretches like the River Thames. I don't regret them, I don't agree with laws that they're making. A man molest little kids and only gets probation. That's sick, it's corrupted the society we live in. Go to invite me on this track to voice out my opinion. Why can't we live in peace? A good question to ask. Best friend only 16 got stabbed in the heart. So when you talk about Jamaica Gold, I feel what you say, cause I'm going through the same struggle over here in the UK.
That's where I'm from. It's who I am. I'm a Jamaican, yeah. Ooh, why can't we live in peace? Jamaica, yeah. Ooh, come make we set an example. Bad mind and grudge full of envy we go trample. Jamaicans we a sample. No make no evil-minded people collapse yo. See where them do with all Samson. When they wheel and they whine and they scribble and scramble. Chin and lock on we uncle. So if we back and see all we gonna fall and stumble. That's where I'm from. It's who I am. I'm a Jamaican. Yeah. Ooh. Why can't we